ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ, how does the ayah go? لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. Many people know that ayah, right? Now, what does ذَلِكَ mean? Anybody know? That. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَاب, that book. That book. Now, when I say this, as opposed to saying that, which one is closer? Is this book closer or that book closer? This book is closer. This book is closer. That book is far away. Because that, a pointing word, ذَلِكَ, is for distance. But when something is closer, you don't say that, you say this. What's interesting in the Quran is we find that book, but for the most part, multiple instances of not saying that Quran, but this Quran, هذا القرآن, this Quran. You see, the word book in Arabic is kitab, the origin of which is kataba yaktubu, to write. It comes from to write. The actual meaning of kitab is that which is documented, that which is etched or written. Now, where is the Quran written? Where is it written? Was it already written when it was being revealed? In its complete form, was it already in existence with who? So the actual book is where? Near or far? So it's appropriate to say that book, because that's where it's written. The word book in Arabic has to do with writing. Now the word Quran comes from qara'a yaqra'u, to read. Where is the reading taking place? Over here. So what's more appropriate? This recital. SubhanAllah. And then in one instance Allah says, هَذَا كِتَابٌ. This is a book. So you say, aha, the theory is broken. Because now book is being used with what word? This. Close. But he adds, هَذَا كِتَابٌ أَنزَلْنَاهُ. We sent it down. This is a book that we sent down. So even when he used this, he added, it didn't come from here, it's from there. Because the implied, what can be alluded when you say this, is that the origin is here. So now Allah Azza wa Jal prevents that possible thought from even occurring by saying that book versus this Quran, هذا القرآن. We don't see that Quran, we see this Quran in the book. SubhanAllah.